and you should install Arduino IDE. I will share the software in my pen drive, so you can install in your computer. Then you also need to install some other tools. Okay, cool. And this is a asynchronous workshop. Okay, could you please open this link for me? The link.makergram.com/magicvan. Please open the link. All the instructions step by step actually documented in the link. So you can go with your own pace. You don't need to wait for me to explain the steps. You can go with your own pace and everything. We will distribute the hardware for you. Like we have the hardware and the cables and everything with us. So we will distribute you when we start the workshop, and you can use your own pace. Okay? Is it clear? You understand? Okay. And if I am speaking too much fast, or if you don't understand, please raise your hand. Okay? Hello? Okay? Okay, cool. Cool. Okay. Is it all open the link? Link is accessible? Okay, awesome. We can open the link, right? link.makergram.com/magicvan. That's your link. I think if you have a laptop, you can open your laptop. Do you have a laptop? Okay. Okay. If you want to sit there, you can sit somewhere. Like should be some cable and everything. So it will be better you sit somewhere. If you're comfortable, yeah. They have a seat from that side. Yeah. Okay. So this is a slide, right? Okay. So today's topic is about like how to make a magic wand. So the magic wand is based on tiny machine learning. So how many people are familiar with the term machine learning? Machine learning. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, okay, cool, good. So yeah. Okay. So before starting tiny machine learning, we need to understand what is machine learning. Okay. You might hear the word, right? AI, ML, deep learning, etc. So what is the difference? What is the difference between AI, ML, and deep learning? Okay. So the AI means artificial intelligence means we are trying to mimic human intelligence using computers. Okay, so like it's like a similar to like we are trying to make similar intelligence that with the computers. That is AI. That's called AI. There is two type of AI. Anyone know? Two type of AI. Artificial general intelligence and artificial narrow intelligence. Okay, so artificial general intelligence means that's actually very much similar to the human brain. Second one is artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence, like it can do small tasks. That can be the ChatGPT. That's artificial narrow intelligence, ANI. Okay? And AGI, this artificial general intelligence, that can do so many things that might kill humans also. Okay, that's AGI. Okay, cool. And next part is machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of AI. Okay? That means like it can learn from data. That is machine learning. Okay? So you actually come to school, right? For what? You are learning new subjects. So you are actually trying to read books, you are like watching lecture, etc. You are trying to learn. So that part actually called machine learning. So it will read the data, then learn from the data. Okay. So what is about deep learning? Deep learning means the algorithm that used by machine learning. Different kind of algorithm. That actually like KNN, that's an algorithm. So many algorithms are actually there. So deep learning is an algorithm. And machine learning, using the algorithm, we will try to learn. Okay? Artificial intelligence means using the knowledge to actually act something, to do something. That actually AI. Got it? Now you now you understand what is the difference between AI, ML, and DL. Cool? All great? I need your response. Yes? Yes? Okay, cool. Okay. So, okay. So you might have questions. What is the difference between traditional programming and like machine learning? Okay. So how many people do code? do program like C++, HTML or anything like that? Okay, yeah. What kind of language you use? Which language?
I often writing in C and assembly.
C and assembly. Oh, that's great. Okay. So there are so many languages, right? C, C++, Java, like Python, so many languages there. So what is the difference between normal program language and machine learning? Okay, let's see. So in normal program language, we have an input and there will be some algorithm. Okay? And there should be an output, right? So we actually creating the algorithm and we give the input. That's clear, right? Okay. So when we come to the machine learning, instead of we are creating the algorithm, computer will generate the algorithm for us. Okay? So that's a two part. So first part is called like creating the model or training the data. So from there, we actually give the input plus output. We will give input plus output, then we will get a algorithm. This is the algorithm. We will get the algorithm. Okay, this is the first step. This is called training the data. The second part is inferencing the data. For that, we actually, that's very much similar to the traditional program. We give the input and to use the algorithm here, trained model, and we will get a result as a confidence. Machine learning is all about like probability or statistics. So there will be confidence about like how much percentage is confidence in 100. Okay? Good? Okay, cool. Because it's a very fundamental thing, so you should understand this one to get into the workshop. That's why. Okay. So next one, how machines are actually like understand things. So I think previous session, there was a professor mentioning about how human brains are working, right? Similar to that, how machines are learning. So this is how machines learn. Suppose you have a small baby with you. Okay, suppose you have your kid or your niece with you. How do you like teach like his or like her about a dog or cat? How do you teach? How do you teach it? You show them, right? This is a cat and this is a cat. That's how you show the like it's a difference between cat and dog, right? So that what happens is like the kid will understand that the kid in the kid's brain there is something called neurons. Neurons is small memories. From there the kid try to store the data different side. Right? So it might be sound from the cat like meow, meow. That's a cat. Bow, bow, bow. That's a dog. The kid will understand, okay, that's a dog or that's a cat, something like that. So what happens is like when baby, like the parent, we will teach them kid, look, this is a dog, this is a cat. Then in kid brain, what happens is there is some kind of things called neuron development. Okay? Then later, the kid will try to like using the neurons to understand, okay, this is a dog and this is a cat. Okay? This is how humans are learning. So far we understand. So far we understand from different kind of research. This is okay, right? Good? Okay. Next, how machines are learning. So instead of the baby, I replace the computer. That's all. Okay? Instead of teaching, we are using training. So, like you can see, here we have a biological neuron that we have. This one is called artificial neural network, ANN. So what happened here is like, if you want to teach a computer the difference between a dog and cat, we need to show them. We need to show the computer, hey, this is a dog, this is a cat. Then computer will automatically try to understand what are the difference between dog and cat. The dog is a big one, the cat is a small one. Dog can do like bow, 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 like that. And cat can do like meow, meow, something like that, right? That's how like the computer will learn. The later point, the computer can understand which is a dog, which is a cat, with the neurons that actually already developed. You understand now how computer learn, right? This is a basic concept how computers actually using like ANN to understand things. This is a part of machine learning. This is how machines are learn. So first we need to teach, the machine will understand what's behind it, the machine that use the knowledge. Okay? Okay. Okay, great. Thanks for the feedbacks. Okay. What's happened? Yeah, okay, cool. So, yeah. So normally, let me make it big. So all the slides are also available in the documentation, so you can rewatch. So basically, to run machine learning, we need a big computer. We need powerful machines which have GPU, which have TPU, tensor processor unit, or graphic processor unit, etc. So in nearby, yep, okay, yeah, sure, that's better. So basically, in the past, we need a big computer to run machine learning in computers. Hello. Yeah, cool. So we need like big computers. It need at least like 60 to 30 GB models, teraflop of speed of like processing powers we need to run the machine learning. Okay. Yeah, cool. So we need like teraflop of speed of things, and we need GPU, TPU, FPGA, etc. The next one is like mobile ML. Mobile ML means we can run machine learning on mobile phone. How many people use Hey Siri, like Hey Google, etc. Right? That actually machine learning running on computers. Sorry, mobile phones. Okay. The next part is TinyML. TinyML means running machine learning on microcontrollers. So today what we are going to do is we are trying to run machine learning on this device. It's called XIAO. So we are running machine learning on this small device. Okay. So we might already use machine learning. How many people use smartwatches? Smartwatches, right? So it can track your steps. That actually machine learning. It try to recognize you are walking or a step, you are like walking or sleeping or standing, etc. It can recognize. That actually machine learning. So that's about TinyML. So in the past, it's all about like Internet of Things. So we connect device with the internet. Like we can connect internet to the chair to whether to check if the person is sitting or not, etc. like that. But right now it's all about intelligent on things. The device can analyze the data itself. You can analyze if how many times a person is sitting in the chair. So if you want to give some another notification, you can do some vital information check, etc. So it's all about like using machine learning on the edge, because we can save so many bandwidth. We don't need to send all the data to the cloud. We can process like from itself, edge itself, then do only the processing data we can send it to the cloud actually. So what is TinyML? So TinyML is actually a combination of machine learning and embedded systems. Okay, it's a combination of machine learning and embedded systems. And right, I have a few slides like it's a fastest growing field of machine learning right now. So if you are a student, it's the best way you can try to learn it, because it's the fastest way of growing field. And we have so many algorithm, hardware, software, etc. And it to do on-device sensor analytics, because all the things actually run inside the small chip. So that's cool. And always so ML and low power consumption. Yep. The main benefits of EdgeML is like innovation, privacy, and power, cost, and like reliability and latency. Because privacy is very important. You actually own your own data. You don't need to send the data to the cloud. Okay, for the TinyML. Okay, good. So this is one of the product that made by Adidas. How many people watch football? How many people watch football? Any football fans here? Okay, cool. Right, so you might know Adidas, right? Adidas is a company like those make very good in like sports accessories. So they make a device to monitor the players the styles, so they can understand how many times the player kick, what kind of kick they made, etc. We can do some things with the camera, but we'll get more information about the sensors, like what kind of pass they do, what kind of dribbling they do, etc. So this is a product that actually released by Adidas using tiny machine learning. So, and one more thing is tiny machine learning is not for all the things. It's actually only fit for a small set of things that actually we need ultra low power sensor devices. And if we can do, it's unable to do like image processing, like a big quality, or we can do like a video analytics, but we can do so like a small like sensor analytics to the edge predictions. Okay, so let's get started to the workshop. Okay, so I think you might open this page, right? Okay, so that's about the introduction about TinyML. Hope you understand everything, right? All good? Good? Say yes. Yeah. Okay, thanks. So, so today we are going to make a magic wand. So this is an algorithm for the magic wand. Let me show you. So this is where we start. And this device have an IMU, accelerometer and gyroscope. Okay. So it will run some machine learning model. And if it's detect a gesture, it will perform an action. Then like it will end. This is an algorithm. Okay. So this is our device. I'll show you the demo right now. Okay. This is our magic wand. You will going to make. So just want to connect here first. Okay. So if I make a presentation, let me see if I can change the presentation. Very good. So I can actually move. See? So I can spell some magic. Something like that. So it will change. See? So it actually what happened is like it detects the gestures and try to do some machine learning on the edge. Then will send the data to the computer. So if I need to go back, I can like this. It will back. See? Okay, so we can try to make one our own. So the first step is you need to do is like we will distribute the device with you. Before that, you need to go these steps. First, you need to install the Arduino. Go to the website. Go to the website first, arduino.cc. Then you need to download the IDE. Please try to download the IDE first. First, try to install the Arduino IDE. Yeah, you already have? That's great. If you already have the Arduino IDE, then what you can do is like you can follow the second step. Introduce XIAO. This one step. Yeah, this one. Yep, good. So, how many people already have Arduino? You can download and install Arduino. If you have a slow internet connection, I can give the USB for you. Okay, great. You already have Arduino. That's great. I think so many makers already here. Okay. The file. Okay. Can you open this page? For the documentation, you can open this page like this page. Okay. For the documentation, please open this page. And please note, this is an hands-on workshop. There will be so many things going to wrong. Okay. It will be not work as supposed to do in the website. So we will try to debug. Okay. First, we are going to install the Arduino IDE. You got the link? No? Yep. Open the link, please. How's going here? Okay, cool. Now you already have the Arduino, right? So now you can go to the, this one. You can follow the guides. Yeah, you can follow the steps. What about you? Okay, cool. You already have the Arduino, right? No? Okay, you can start. That's good. What about you? You want to try make a magic wand? You can do it together. Yeah, just open your computer. Yeah, try. Low power. You want a charger or something like that? No. Okay. Okay. So I'll just walk through here. Okay. So let me know once you have completed the Arduino installation. Okay. So once you've done Arduino. Okay, not that one. It's automatically gone. Okay. So once you done Arduino, you can open the IDE like this one. Okay. First you need Arduino, then you follow the guide mentioned here, NR50840 cents. So this is the device we are using today. It's called XIAO. What? XIAO. Say? XIAO. XIAO means in Mandarin means tiny. Okay, so it's tiny, right? XIAO. Okay, so it comes with a microphone plus an accelerometer. It comes with a microphone and accelerometer in tiny device, and it's also have a Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, so we are trying to run machine learning on this device. And the first step is you need to install XIAO NR50840 cents on your Arduino IDE. That's the next step. Are you able to follow? Good? Okay, perfect. You already know ESP32, so you guys are trying? See? Are you following up? No. Okay. So you install Arduino? Okay, good. If you want, you can use the Arduino IDE. No, okay. Good. Yeah, perfect. Installing the science, that's good. And what about you? How's going here? Okay, great. Did you install the NR52840? Oh, you're using PIO? Can you use Arduino IDE instead of PIO? Yep, that's one. You need to follow this one. Can you open the web page? Yep. Did you install this one? This board, XIAO. Yeah. Not that one. That's ESP32. We need the. You can copy this one. Copy that one. Then paste the board URL. Okay. Okay, then go to open the board manager. Yeah. Once it's done, you can open the board manager. Yeah, I think we can just, yeah. These are the USB we have. After the workshop, you need to return the hardware to us, okay? Please return to the hardware to us like after the workshop. So we also have the USB cables. Yep. So you need a computer? You need a computer. So after the workshop, you need to return the device to us. Yep. You got it? No, it will not work because it needs some inbuilt sensors. Yeah. You have a computer? You don't. So you don't need it. So after the workshop, you need to return the device. Okay? Yeah. What happened? So you can open. It's a cable. Yeah, just open it. So what happens inside? Like it's a XIAO. So you can open the cable to connect with it. Okay? So let me show you. Okay, cool. Okay, you already installing, right? It's done? Oh, perfect. Now you are installing this one? Okay, good, great. So what about you? How's it going? Okay, yeah, take your time, okay? So you're trying? You got an USB? No, right? If people need more USB cables, let us know. Okay? If anybody need USB cable, let us know. You can follow the guide. Like this one. It's have Bluetooth, but you can connect with the USB. So no, it will not show as a Bluetooth. Okay. Yep, perfect. Okay, let's do. Let me know like once we are done with the installation. Okay. Let me know when you are done with installation. You need a Type C. Okay. You have any cables with you? The MacBook charger? No? Nothing, no worry. I'll give you one. Just a minute.
Is it Linux file?
Which one? Which one?
Is it one?
Actually, you need to use Arduino IDE. So if you open the Arduino, you can go to the tools. If you go to the port, you see this one, there will be. So first you need to install the XIAO. Go to the website. Let me open. Did you open this one? The page?
I think this one.
This one?
Audio.
No. So you need to open. It's like you need to open that page. Workshop. Yeah. So we have some prizes, those who complete the project. Okay? So if you complete the project, you will get some goodies, some prizes. So try to complete as fast as fast. Yeah. It's a cable for you. Yep. Good? Blink, okay, that's awesome. So one person is completed a Blink program, that's good. Nice, nice. Yeah, it's done. You are getting a Blink. Yeah, congratulations. Good. So we got a Blink. So once you are done with it, like what you need to do is like, let me show you. Go here and like sketchbook and like let me go here. Yep, this one. You need this link, right? Yep. Magic Wand. link.makegram.com/Magic Wand. You don't need to wait for me. You can continue reading the guide and you can do like the session. You can continue. Okay, you got it? Okay, awesome. So the first step is we are going to make turn on the light of the XIAO. For that, I need to go like examples, basics, then blink. So I need to make sure that I selected the correct board from tools, board, and we need to select the NR50 to embed enabled boards to sense. Then port should be there once we connect the device. So yeah, once we connect the board, you can upload the code. Make sure that you have the port selected. Then upload. So what happened is like it will do the blink. There is a small LED inside like a side of the board. It will turn on and turn off. So what's the first program when you do when learning programming? Hello world, right? You do hello world first. Print hello world. But for electronics or embedded program, we do turning on, blink LED. That's actually the hello world for the electronics. So let's see if my LED is turning on. It's doing the compilation. So what happened is converting the C++ code to the binary format so that it can read. To do the compilation, it will take a little bit more time because if it's the first time. Let's see. Compilation is done. After that, it will try to upload the code to my board. Let's see the LED will turn on or not. Okay, it's uploading. there should be some issues with you while doing the upload. We need to make sure that it's have the correct port, to have the correct baud rate, etc. Okay, awesome. So now you see the red light, right? The red light is blinking. That means the program is uploaded successfully. Okay? Cool. So how many are done with the upload? Having any issues? Yeah, I can go. Sorry? Okay, yeah. It's okay. It will take, yeah, it's done, I think. Cool. Now you can try to upload the Blink example and see. Try to complete, okay? You will get some goods. Yeah, sure. You want to try?
Yeah, I got some work and then I just like.
Okay, if you want to try, we'll give you the board. Yeah, you can try. Yeah, sure. No problem. We need to use NR52 and the sense one. Yeah. Then you can use any Blink example. This one is a complex one, I think. Change. You can like examples. There's some Blink, right? Yeah. Okay, great. Sorry. Okay, like how many people are complete the Blink part? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 people. That's great. So you're done with the Blink part. Okay, now installing the CLI. Okay, perfect. Oh, you have some issues. Okay, did you install the Python 3 and Node.js? Okay, then what's the error we are getting? Oh, okay. You need to install this one also. Small one. That's an issue with the Windows. Okay. So if you have an issue, don't problem. We can go to the next steps. Okay. What about you? Okay. You want to connect? You already installed the board. Okay. Let me open tools, board. Okay. You need to install the this one. You need to go here. Okay. To go here and yeah, copy this one. Yeah, just copy that. Yeah. What about you? How's it going? Okay, installing. It's okay. Done. Okay, downloading file. Okay, this is like a time-consuming part. Once we're done with it, it will be easy. Okay. Okay, it will take some time, but it's okay. Let me or Alan know if you have any issues. We will try to fix it, okay? Yeah, no problem. Meanwhile, in installing, you can read the blocks, the project presentation. You can see. Okay, installing the Windows. Sorry, the Node.js. Okay, cool. You have issues?
Yes, there is no issue.
Okay, cool, great. What about you? Going well? Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. So, like, if you're done with the Blink example, you can try to run another program. Can you open this one? You can go and sorry, not this one. Where's that page? Okay. Like, how many people are done with the Blink part? Okay. So once you've done with the Blink part, you can go here and do this part. Like, step 2. Step 2 means fetch accelerometer data from XIAO. That's a step 2. Okay. So what you need to do is like just click here. You can click here. The whole code will copy. Just click here. Then whole code will copy. Then you can go here and like paste. That's all. Then you can upload. That's all. It will automatically do the like compilation and it will upload. Okay. You might get some error like you don't have the library or something like that. In that situation, you can like copy this LSMD like LSM6DS3, then go to here, then like paste here. So you can download the library for that. It's called Seed Arduino library. You can install that if you get any errors. So it's doing the compilation. Okay. You're getting any error? Okay, yeah, that's error. So you can go to the library. This one, you can enter the name LSM. Not that one. You need to choose the Seed Studio. Can you go down? Go down. Like, yeah, that's one.
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Okay, cool. You can click install. So I think you will get an error, right? So you can install. Yeah, perfect. You're doing well. What about you? Yeah, it's okay. Due to computer, it's slow. It's fine. Okay, once you're done installing that, and once you're done with uploading, what you can do is like you can open. There's a thing called a serial monitor. If you open this, you can see the XYZ acceleration. So see, the values will be changed. So it's an accelerometer inside the device. Okay, and if I go here, I can see the plotting values. So this is the XYZ axis values. This is the data. This is the raw data from accelerometer. We will try to collect the data. We will try to collect the data and use machine learning to understand the data. Okay, later point. So far, this is the raw data. You see? So this will be the up and down. This will left and right. If I don't do nothing like to like stable. See? You can detect all the vibrations from here. Okay. So this is the step 2. You want to try? You have a computer? Okay. So let me know if you're done with the step 2. Okay. Issues? Okay. You can kind of go to the tools, then port. Make sure that. Okay. That's fine. Can you disconnect and connect back? Let me see. Let me check. Okay. Okay. It's okay. That's fine. Let me see.
Maybe relate to my window.
Hmm?
Maybe it's related to my window.
Yeah. Yes. Yep. Can you go to the port? Yep. You have another USB? You have another USB that side? You can you try? Because sometimes it will not detect in a proper USB. Yep. No. You done the blink part, right?
Yes.
Yep. So there's something wrong. What's happening here? Not yet. I think it's not. You can connect back here itself. So let me know like once you're done with the step 2. Okay. Yeah, done. Having issues? Do you install the library? Okay. Just a moment. Oh, your code is also not uploaded right yet. We need to use this one, embed. Okay. Then try, let's see. It's not connected yet, right? Can you close the IDE and reopen it? Okay, then try.
Select them. Your ports are not try on another port.
Yeah, you have some issues with the port.
No, actually it is not compiling. But it is not detecting how to compile. No, actually it uploaded the blink sketch. That's why. Try it again. Na?
Did you
First
install the
disconnect.
library?
Yeah,
Not this one. You need to use the Arduino one. That's why they show.
Yeah, but you know when is this?
So no, the Seed Studio one, not Arduino one.
Oh.
You can go below and choose. You can
But-
remove that one.
Don't you need to add the board as a
Yeah, I think you already added.
Oh, that is which one?
Just below. Yeah, that's one. Okay, cool. Then it should be complete. It's a class difference. Okay, anybody completed the step 2? Step 2? You done? Oh, step 4. That's good. Yeah, you'll get the prize. Well done. Still have issues? Okay. Okay, can you just move? So what I can do is I can give you an example. Okay. Try this board. Did you take me? Yep, yes. Yeah, so you got the data, right?
Yes.
Perfect. So we got one complete. Yeah.
This live, maybe we can install this live.
Okay. So I think you have an old Arduino. You can go to the library.
Yes.
Include library.
Oh, I remember this.
Yeah. You need to go to manage library. So there's another window. So there you can enter the library name. So yep. Here you can enter the name. Then download. Make sure to download the seed library. Yep. Issue? Okay. Let this one. Yep. So it's going. Okay, you might have some issues. Let me see. Tools. XIAO. Number boards. That's good. Port. Com. Okay. Let's upload. Let's see. Okay. It will be, the LED will turn on if it's successful. Let's see what's happening. Okay, looks good so far. No, it has some issues. That's an issue. So you didn't put it too far. Okay, good. It should work right now. Next step. Where did you get? So you went to the 4th step. You complete the 2nd step.
Yes, that's it.
Perfect. You complete the 2nd step. Let me take a video of you like doing the complete step. That perfect. So just okay. Okay, cool. The next step is like we need to send the data to the EdgeImpulse. Before that, you need to install some tools. Like, you need to create an EdgeImpulse account. So yeah, you can. Let me just go back and think you can get started. Sorry. Yeah, you already have the account. That's good. Yeah. You already did it with the EdgeImpulse? Oh, that's good. Good.
Can we access the project? Is it collect data by myself?
Yeah, you can collect your data yourself.
No, can I access the project? Is it
Yeah, sure. So you want my project link? You need to access my project.
yes?
Okay, let me.
How to find it? Because it takes a lot of time to collect.
Yeah. So we already have the collected data. So if you go to the page, you can see. We mentioned the data. Let me grab.
file.
Yep, let me show. There should be some links where I collected the data. Here.
Okay.
Okay. So if you have any issues, you can already use the collected data that I already collected before. So I see people are going, that's good. Okay, the next step should be so the next step is like we need to send this data to EdgeImpulse. Okay? Because you remember so in machine learning what we are doing is like we need to train the data. We need to train the data first. Then only we can use the data, right? So to train the data, we are using a platform called EdgeImpulse. So EdgeImpulse is a tool where we can upload our data, then do some training, then we can download the like header files for the C++ or C. Okay? Cool. For that, now we already have the data here. We have the data. Like let me show you once. So this is the data we have. We are collecting the data, but we don't know. This is meaningless data, right? There are so many data, it's listed there. So we need to like log into first EdgeImpulse. So you can create a new account, it's free. You can create a new project if you don't have any. Like I can say Magic Wand Force. Okay, I'll create a new project, Magic Wand Force. So I just need my personal project created. So I have Magic Wand Force. This is my project. Okay? Cool. So there's a two method you can do. You can upload the data in two method. One is like you can go here and you can find you can install the CLI command line interface to upload the data. Otherwise you can go here and click. If you click here, you can download the data set. Okay? Cool. So I am going to download the data set. Before that, the Magic Wand 2. All good? Is your problem fixed? All good? Still? Okay. What's going on here? It's not detecting. Okay. What I can do is I can give you my share. I'll try this. Okay. Thank you. Let me fix this. It's working, right? Okay, perfect. So it has some issues. I actually fixed it. I actually the NR52 have some two type of bootloader, so it might be skipped sometimes. So that's why. So we can fix that by with a small reset button, right? You can tap that two times and it will pop up as a as a flash drive. Then we can do the firmware. So that I'm doing right now. So it's fixed. See? Okay, cool. So like
he has a error. Okay, so
with EdgeImpulse?
yes,
Okay, this one, right? This is because you don't have the C++ libraries. So what we can do is right now is like, okay, did you try to install this one? Right. So next what you can do is like, you don't need to go this way. You can do, you can skip this one stage and you can download the data, then upload directly to EdgeImpulse. Okay, cool. So some devices have big issues, so it might be due to the computer. That's why we already have the data. Cool.
My library is still installed.
Okay. It will take some time.
that's because
Still wrong.
install wrong library. So how to
You can go to the sketch,
you need to delete the
include library and manage library. Then you can delete it. There's a button for remove. You can remove. Yeah.
this the remove button.
So you might receive your magic band with you, right? So you can attach your shower with it. You can attach your shower. We have some tapes. So you can try to attach magic band with the shower. So yeah, try to attach. Yeah. So you can attach. So how many? Like we only give this one. Huh? Okay. So we have, yeah, that's good. Yeah. Going okay? Okay, perfect. You guys are also trying, right? Okay, yeah, please start. Start. Yeah. Start. It's okay. Yeah, and then start, yes. Okay, perfect. This one, embed board, second board. Okay, perfect. It will take a little bit more time since it's a big board. So you got the guide, right? This guide you have, right? Okay, meanwhile it's compiling, you can try to attach the stop stick to the board. It's not a stop stick, it's a magic wand.
It's no the delete button here. You need to delete this library.
Let me see, like how. If you want to delete, right?
I don't know version.
Okay, it's okay.
Also,
Then you try. Yeah, manually delete. So if you go here, so do you know this one, right?
yeah.
So you can delete. Deleted. Yeah, and did he install the right library? Okay. Then it should be work fine. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, try to attach.
His computer shut it down.
What happened?
Will shut it down. His computer will shut it down.
Who?
Will shut it down. His computer.
Oh, no battery?
Battery. Yeah.
No battery?
Yes.
You have a charger with you? Oh, that's sad. I was going. How's yours? What happened? You have some issues. That's because you don't. I think you don't have the library. Okay, so you can go here. Did you install the library? Yeah, you already have the library, right? So what happened? Show really embedded sense, right? So compilation. It's not I mean. Okay. We can remove this one. So it's make some conflict between two libraries. That's why the issue. Now we can try to compile and see if it's work. I'm sure it will work. So try to complete. You will get some prizes. Okay. So try to complete. Really? Yeah, you can try to attach your XIAO. Able to done?
I think that we miss some part
Hmm?
because
Yeah, you can follow the guide. It's fine.
but we search for the seat. Do we know that it's not on the menu?
It should be there. Yeah, you need to search for it. Like, where? I didn't get the library.
Yeah, the library.
Yeah, you can like LSM. I think that's the library, right? You said LSM should be here. See the LSM. What do you call it? LSM. What the library name? LSM. LSM D. LSM 6, right? 6D.
Yes.
It should be somewhere here.
D3.
So LSM D6.
Yeah.
DS3. No. That's because it's, you should make it a capital. Yeah. Yep.
The first one.
No, that should be another one. Seed. Yeah, this one. This is your laptop?
His laptop.
Where do you got the stickers?
Yeah.
No.
Just an hour? Just an hour? The workshop?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, sure. So yeah, after that, try to upload the data to here. So I'll show you how to do that. Go here and like download the data set from the page. Download the data set from the page. You can download the data set. So here you can see the data set. Okay. Now we are going to the EdgeImpulse part. From here you can see add existing data. So click here, add existing data. Then you can mention upload data. Then choose where the data is coming from. So I'm taking a folder. So I already have the data, like not that one basically. Just a moment, like audio model data. So you need to unzip the file before uploading. So I'm going here. So I need to unzip it like, okay. So now the page is updated. Zipper, let me see which folder. So select a folder, then downloads. This is the folder I am selecting, the data that I already have. Once I click upload, the data should be uploaded here. Okay. And now I need to use upload data. So once we click upload the data, all the data will be uploaded to EdgeImpulse. Okay. You can download the data and upload it. Okay, once you upload the data, you can open here. You can open here and see the data is actually uploaded to the EdgeImpulse. See? So there is a two method. You can collect data directly from the EdgeImpulse because we don't have enough time. We are directly uploading the data. So you can see different kind of data, up and down, idle. When there is the wand is not moving, it will be idle. And if it should be an up and down, it's like this. And if it's a left and right, it should be like this. Okay? Okay? Okay, cool. The next step is after you upload the data, you can go to the create impulse. This is where we are actually creating the machine learning part. Okay? So you can sell, this is our input data, the time series data, this is our input. Next, we need to make some processing. What kind of processing are we using? So here we are using the spectral analysis. Spectral analysis we are trying to do because that's actually good for accelerometer. And you can see these are our axes like X, Y, Z. These are our input axes. The next one is we need to do some machine learning part, the algorithm. What kind of algorithm we choose? For that, click here. So here we are using classification. So we need to classify whether it's a left and right, whether it's up and down. Okay. So click classification, then say impulse. So these will be the input data, and we get output as like left, right, or idle. So this will be we get so many data, but we will process, then we'll get these are the output. Okay. Great, save impulse. Then we'll go to the spectral analysis. Now we need to define what is spectral and what kind of power we are using. So here you can see. So far we don't need to change anything to make it simple and generate features. So this part, the spectral analysis try to understand the data. They will do some performance and they will try to differentiate it. Let's see if it can find it. It will take some time. Normally, to do with your computer, you need high power like GPU or something like that in your computer. For now, we are using EdgeImpulse, so we don't need to much more power. Did you upload the data?
I don't know how to use it.
Yeah, you can create login. You can create an account.
I don't have an account.
So yeah, it's uploading the data. So I'm going to make the project to public, so you can also access the data. Yeah, just 3 minutes, okay? It's an answer workshop, that's why. So once you're done with the impulse, like spectral features, you can see the data like this one. See. These are the like a feature explorer. So we can see this will be the up and down, and this will be the idle, and this will be the left and right. So computer trying to distinguish between different data. So that means if it's like this, that means it's good. Computer can easily recognize the difference between different data sets. So that's good. If it's very much mixed, so it's very difficult. So we need to do more performance. After that, you can do to the classifier. The classifier is where we create the artificial neural network. Okay, so here you can see this is our neuron architecture. So you can see we have some input layer, 39 features extracted from here. Then we use like 2 dense neural layers, and we are like at the last we have some output layer with 3 classes. Okay, and yeah, once you've done, we can try to click. You can see start training. Once we click start training, the machine learning model will try to run different kind of approach. We can try to set how many approach we need to run, etc. So this part is called confusion matrix. How many percentage it actually have false positive or false negative, etc. So you can see it's actually have a 100% accuracy. That's good. And you can see the RAM usage, 1.4 KB of RAM only we use, and 15.1 K of flash memory we are using right now with the XIAO and 5840 cents. So that's good. So once you're done with that, you can go to deployment, okay? And you can click you can search for Arduino, and you can search for the Ionix one, and you can click build. So this will generate an Arduino library for you, okay? Next, what you can do is like, once you're done, you can download the Arduino library. So you can download the Arduino library from here. This is the Arduino library I have. Okay. So I just need to copy the code. You need to add as a zip file. Then I need to copy the code, paste it. Then again I'm going to upload. So I'm using my own Magic Wand. I think it's somewhere here. So we are running out of time, so try to complete as soon as possible. So now we are uploading the final. Good. You can upload your file. Okay. Good. Okay.
No power.
No power. You guys forget your chargers. Okay. Okay. How's it going? You already have color. Yeah, okay, that's good. You can do the classification. For now, you can select the default one. Yeah, go and try it. Yep. So I make it very simple, so you don't need to change the parameters. Okay. So. Okay, I think one person is doing the compilation. That's good. We are at the end. That's good. Okay, you don't need to do that right now, so we can skip that. Like I can go here because it has some issues. It will take some time. So you already done accelerometer, right? Step 2 you already done, right? So now you can go here. You can go here, download the data set, then upload to there. Okay? Cool. That will be make easy. Okay. So yeah, it will take some time to compile the machine learning library. You can see, yeah, it's almost done right now. So once it's done, we can see the data. Okay, how's it going? Going well? Compilation, right? Yep. You upload the library? Machine learning part? Oh, that's good. You are the first one right now. Okay, cool.
Error actually.
Yeah, right. Here?
Here I got some error like no, some file was not there.
Oh, you install everything, right?
Yeah.
File?
Some file.
Okay, let's see. See? Okay, let me show the error, okay?
Yeah, sure.
It shouldn't be there is an error because it's working on cloud. Because we didn't change anything, right? So, yeah. Anyway, yeah. Okay, let's do the compilation. Let's wait. So you can see, I just explained the code, okay? So these are our libraries that we use. This one from that EdgeImpulse we already generated, and this one from the accelerometer, and these are the some parameter for the accelerometer, like how much force, how much g, etc. And this will be our I2C address. And this is actually the machine learning part is actually happening. You can see here. We are just comparing different values. See if it can do. Take bit time to compile everything. Oh, you uploaded? That's good. Now we can go to the create impulse. Can you open the edge impulse? And create impulse. Create impulse. Yep. Then you can add a processing data. You can choose as a click there. Yeah, click there. You can choose spectral analysis. That's we are using today's first one. And you click in the add a learning block. This one here. Then you click on the classification. You can click save. So now you made the architecture for the edge impulse. Next you can go to the spectral features. And you can create a generate feature. Yep, and generate feature. Yep, we have part is uploaded. That's good. You're 4 o'clock, right? We have few minutes left. Try to complete. So this is our final part. Now, if I open the serial monitor, you can see it try to recognize. See, right now the board is okay. I think the algorithm is bit different that I am using. Okay. Not this file we need. Okay, this is not the file we need. So few more minutes. Yeah, we can end. This session will start on 4, so we can stop before that. Yeah. All done? If you're done, you can return the boards there. Okay? Have issues? Okay. If you're done, you can return the boards. Done, right? Yeah. You can put back. You can place your board here once you're done. Okay? Table and sticks. So those are completed like almost. You can distribute the gift or something like that.